Keychron has unveiled its latest innovation, the Q0 Max, a numeric keypad designed to enhance your productivity with customizable macros and intuitive controls. Building on the popularity of the Q0 Plus, the Q0 Max offers an expanded layout with additional features that make it a standout accessory for any workspace. Keychron Q0 Max specifications: layout and design. Bullet. Expanded layout. In addition to a standard numeric keypad, the Q0 Max includes 5 dedicated macro keys on the left side and a rotary knob for versatile control. Bullet. 4 shortcut keys, positioned at the top for quick access to frequently used functions, further streamlining your workflow. Customization and lighting. Bullet. Hot swappable keys, allows you to personalize your typing experience by easily changing out switches. Bullet. South-facing RGB lights, create a vibrant and customizable workspace with dynamic lighting effects. Software and compatibility. Bullet. QMKVIA support, enables extensive customization, allowing you to remap keys and program the 9 macro keys to perform specific tasks with a single press. Switch options. Bullet. Keychron Jupiter series switches, renowned for their durability with an 80 million key press lifespan. These switches come in 3 varieties. White Bullet, Jupiter T-shaft, tactile feel for a responsive typing experience. White Bullet, Jupiter Red shaft, smooth and linear for effortless keystrokes. White Bullet, Jupiter Banana shaft, satisfying and balanced for a versatile typing feel. Aesthetics. Bullet. Color options, available in sleek carbon black or crisp shell white to match any setup. Features and benefits. Bullet. Enhanced productivity. The additional macro keys and rotary knob make it easy to perform complex tasks and streamline your workflow. Bullet. Customization flexibility. With QMKVIA support, you can tailor the keypad to fit your specific needs, enhancing both efficiency and comfort. Bullet. Durability and longevity. The Keychron Jupiter switches ensure a long-lasting and reliable typing experience, suitable for heavy use. Bullet. Stylish design. The combination of functional design and customizable RGB lighting adds a modern and aesthetic touch to your workspace. The Keychron Q0 Max is more than just a numeric keypad. It's a powerful tool designed to enhance productivity and provide a customized, intuitive user experience. With its versatile features and robust build, it's an excellent addition to any professional or personal setup.